Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I was doing some flux welding for my 3D scanning app. That doesn't make sense, but hopefully I make a video on it later on. But anyways, I ran out of flux and I was gonna change my flux out and then decided, let me go ahead and take you guys through that. This is honestly my first time doing it as well. I saw some videos, but let's go step by step, see how it goes. It's relatively easy, so we shouldn't have a problem with it at all. Now, the first thing you want to do is take the old flux out. So the old flux should still be in here. It should run from essentially the beginning of the wire to the head, and you just want to take a needle nose and pull that old flux all the way out so your new flux can actually run through it. So old flux out and away. Now we got Vulcan 0.030 from Harbor Freight. I use 0.030. You could also use 0.035 on this Chicago Electric 125 welder, a little hobby welder I have. Next, what you want to do is press down on this and then pull the lid upward. Now this is the old cap. Next, what you're gonna want to do is take off the old spool. Good thing is this isn't reverse thread or anything, regular thread. Go ahead, take that off, take that off, and then take that off. Then you just open up your new flux wire. Now be sure to hold on to this because if you don't, it'll start to unwind. So you just go ahead and place it on there, and I'm not going to loosen this. It's tied in there nicely. I'm not going to loosen this until I have everything situated. So what we're going to do is do this. I'll clip back on there. We're going to have to apply some downward pressure to fight against the spring a little bit. Next, what you want to do is lift this up. Now, I don't keep mine that tight at all, and there's a nice spring in there, and I like to not mess around with it, not twist it, because then you have to readjust it, readjust the tension, and you get faulty pressures of the wire going out. So I just don't like to mess with this at all if I don't have to. You lift this up, open this outward. Now you have a little ball bearing that helps the feed, and then you have the 0.30, 0.35, which you could essentially just open and flip around if you want to change out the thickness of your flux wire. Now, as I said, once you take this off, you better hold on tight because it starts to unwind and you could lose quite a bit of flux core by doing that. Get your needle nose. Grab the wire, pull it off. Ooh, that's not good. We put it on the wrong way. Damn it. Alright. Yeah. Now this makes our job a little bit tougher, so don't do what I did. Definitely do this better than what I did. So it's supposed to feed and come around this way and then go into there. So let's go ahead and unwind it. Hold on to our wire. Hold on tight. Take the spring off again. Lift this up. Now all you're going to want to do is to flip it around. And then add this again. Add the spring. Nope, other way. I'm making a whole lot of mistakes, but this should help you guys out quite a bit then. Because all the mistakes I'm making, you could look at them and then try to avoid them. Okay. Come on, baby, come on. All right. There you go. I thought I was doing that wrong for a second. Okay, for range of motion, and then you want to cut that squiggly bit off. Make sure your line is nice and straight so it could go smoothly down the pipe. And then feed it through, just like threading a needle. Okay, it's not feeding through. Come on, baby. Feed through for me now. Come on. Come on. Don't fight me on this. Alright, there we go. Finally fed through. Once you get it through this hole right here, then you could close it back down. Okay, very nice. Close it down. Finish the latch. You should have your fluxcore or your welder plugged in. Hit the power button. It turns on. Then you hit the trigger. Feeds the wires through. Still feeding. Oh, yeah, that was a mistake. One step I forgot to mention is make sure your line is straight. And there we go. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you could see that. Fed out through the gun, and you are essentially finished. So there you guys go. Quick little step to replacing your wire, your flux wire on your flux or MIG welder. The step for the MIG welder should be essentially the same. So hope this helped. If it did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell, and I might hit you with that project I'm working on.